In question 53, what should be the focal length of the lens in the projector given? Solution 53. So the magnification V by U 200 by 3.5. U equal to 200 by 3.5. So U will come out to be 17.5 centimeter. 1 by V, 1 by U, 1 by F, 1 by U minus, and U will be negative by sign convention. So 1 by 1000, or directly let's put it here only, 1 over 1000 plus 1 by 17.5 equal to 1 by F. F will come out to be 17.19 centimeters. In question 54, a particle executes SHM. Find the amplitude of oscillation of image. Solution 54. 1 by V1 minus 1 by U1 equal to 1 by F. V1 will come out to be 32.57 centimeter. 1 by V2 minus 1 by U2 equal to 1 by F. 1 by V2 plus 1 by 21 equal to 1 by 12. V2 will be 28 centimeter. Amplitude A dash B dash by 2, V1 minus V2 by 2, 2.285 centimeter. Let me just clarify that this is AB and this is A dash B dash. So this will be oscillation. In question 55, extended object is placed. We need to draw the ray diagram and find the position of image. Solution 55. So 1 by V minus 1 by U, 1 by F. V will be V will be minus 13.3 centimeter. In question 56, a pin is given to us. Find the focal length of lens and distance from the pin. Solution 56. Minus U plus V is 40 centimeter. Distance between image and object. H0 is 2 centimeter. HI, height of image, is 1 centimeter. We know that magnification is HI over HO and minus V over U. So from here U will come out to be minus 2V. So 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. This is minus. So from here what we will get is 1 by V plus 1 by 2V equal to 1 by F. So F will come out to be 2V by 3. Now again minus U plus V equal to 40. So 3V equal to 40. So V equal to 40 by 3. So F will be 2 into 40 by 3 into 3. 8.89 centimeter will be the focal length. Now U will come out to be minus 2V equal to minus 3F equal to minus 3 into 8.89, that is 26.7 centimeter. In question 57, a convex lens is given. Where should the object be placed to produce triple size real image? Solution 57. So magnification is -2 real and inverted. So v by u equal to -2, v equal to -2u, v equal to -2 into -18. So v will come out to be 36 centimeters. So by Lenz's formula we will obtain 1 by 36 minus 1 by 18 equal to 1 by f. F will come out to be 12 centimeters. Now for triple size image we will have this situation. So 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. So 1 by -3u, because v is -3u, minus 1 by u, 1 by 12. So from here u will come out to be -16 centimeter. In question 58, a pin of length 2 centimeter lies along principal axis. The focal length is given. Find the size of image. So this is solution 58. So the situation is 1 by v minus 1 by 10, 1 by 6, v will be 15 centimeter. Second scenario, 1 by v minus 1 by u, that is 1 by 12, 1 by 6. So v will be 12 centimeter. So ultimately 15 minus 12, that is 3 centimeter will be the size of image. In question 59, diameter of sun is given. Find the radius of image of the sun formed by a lens of focal length 20 centimeter. Solution 59. V is 20 into 10 to the power minus 2 meters. M is v by u, height of image over height of object. 20 into 10 to the power minus 2 over 1.5 into 10 to the power 11, height of image over, or diameter of image over object. From here diameter will come out to be, let's call this diameter. Diameter will come out to be 1.86 mm. So radius will be half. Radius will be 0.93 mm. Question 60. Find the distance of the object from the lens in this situation. Solution 60. So 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. V by u equal to 4, so v equal to 4u. So 1 by f equal to 1 by 4u minus 1 by u. So u will come out to be minus 15 centimeter. In question 61, a diverging lens is given to us. Where should an object be placed so that real image is formed at the object itself? Solution 61. U equal to minus x minus 20 centimeter. So v will come out to be 20 by x, x plus 20. This will be the situation. Now for the mirror, u will be minus 5 plus 20 by x, x plus 20 minus 25 x plus 100 over x plus 20. F will be minus 10 centimeters. 1 by v plus 1 by u, 1 by f, 1 by v minus 1 by 10, x plus 20 over 25 x plus 100. So v will come out to be 50 x plus 4 over 3x minus 20. Now for this further situation, u will be this. So 1 by x plus 1 over 5 minus x plus 4, 3x minus 20, 1 by minus 20. X will come out to be 60 centimeters. In question 62, converging lens is given. Where should an object be placed so that its image falls on itself? So this is quite simple. So this question can be solved just like the above question, and when you will solve this, you will find that the answer is 30 centimeters. It is just like the above question 61. Question 63, converging lens and diverging mirror are there. We need to find where should a point source be placed between lens and mirror so that light after getting reflected by lens comes out parallel to principal axis. Solution 63. U minus x v 25 minus 15, 10 centimeter, f 40 centimeters. Mirror formula: x will come out to be 40 by 3. Object is at distance 15 minus 40 by 3, 1.67 centimeter from lens. In question 64, a converging lens and a converging mirror are there. Find the locations of the two images formed. Solution 64, A case. So 1 will be due to direct transmission of light through lens, and 1 will be obtained by reflection and then transmission of 1 due to reflection and then transmission of rays through lens. So this 2 will be obtained. So first case, in that u minus 40 centimeter, f 15 centimeter. So v will come out to be 24 centimeter. Second case, u infinity, f 15, v will come out to be 15 centimeter. In question 65, consider the situation in previous problem where should a point source be placed on principal axis so that two images form at same place. Solution 65. 1 by v, 1 by minus x, 1 by 15. V will be, let this be v dash will be 15x over x minus 15. Let this be equation 1. Scenario 2, Vm plus 1 by minus 50 minus x, 1 by minus 10. Vm will come out to be 10, 50 minus x, x minus 40. So v dash minus Vm, or let's call this Vl for lens, okay, and Vm for mirror. Once we put all the values, we find that x will come out to be 30 centimeters. In question 66, a converging lens is there. Where will the final image form and what will be the size? Solution 66. So V will be UF over U plus F by lens formula. U is minus 30 centimeter, F 15 centimeter. V will be, when we put the formula, V will come out to be 30 centimeter. So there will be refraction and then reflection. So ultimately final image will be formed at AB and will be of same size as that of the size of the object. In question 67, a point object is there. Locate the image of the point object. Solution 67. 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. 1 by V equal to 1 by 15 minus 1 by 30. V will come 30 centimeters. Shift will be 1 minus 1 by 15 into 1. It will come out to be 0.33. This is 1.5. 0.33 centimeters. So image will be formed at 30 plus 0.33, 30.33 centimeters. In question 68, a convex lens is given and a concave lens is also there. Find the beam diameter of the emergent beam. Solution 68. So let the diameter of beam be 5 mm. Now U is 10 centimeters, F is minus 10 centimeter. 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. So this situation is for concave. Okay. So now from here V will come out to be infinity. So emergent beams will become parallel after refraction in concave lens. So ultimately what will happen is that we will have let me draw a figure so that you can understand it better. So A, Z, B. Only from convex lens this will be the situation. This becomes image of object of concave lens. For convex this is image, for concave this is object. P, R, Q. So what we will be having is PQ over XY equal to RB over ZB, 10 by 20. So 1 by 2. PQ equal to half into 5. And it will be 2.5 mm. In question 69, a diverging lens is there. Where should an object be placed on the principal axis so that its image is formed at infinity? Solution 69. So 1 by F equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2 minus D F1 F2. This is the formula. 1 by 30 plus minus 1 by 20 minus 15 over 30 into minus 20. It will come out to be 120 centimeter. This will be the focal length. d1 df over f1 15 into 120 over 30 60 centimeter. d2 df over f2 15 into 120 over 20 90 centimeter. So the object should be placed 90 plus 120 210 centimeter. In 70 we need to find position of final image, nature and size. So 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. So v will come out to be 30 centimeter. So final image is formed 10 centimeter right of second lens. Magnification for first, it will give us height of image to be minus 10 mm. Second case, (40 minus 30) minus 10 centimeter, f 5 centimeter. V will come out to be 10 centimeter. And M for second lens, V by U, height of image over height of objects, height of image will come out to be 10 mm and the size of image will be 10 mm. In question 71, we need to calculate focal length of the two lenses. Solution 71. 1 by v1 minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f1. 1 by f1 equal to 1 by 30 minus 1 by minus 15. f1 is equal to 10 centimeter. One by v minus 1 by v1, 1 by f1, 1 by f1 equal to 1 by 60 minus 1 by 30. It will come out to be minus 60 centimeter. Question 72, we have two convex lenses. Show that light beam coming parallel to principal axis diverges as it comes out of the lens system. Also find location of virtual image formed by lens system and find the focal length of equivalent lens. Solution 72. A part. Beam will diverge after coming out of two convex lens system. Next part, for first convex lens. And for second convex lens. We will obtain minus 10 centimeter. Combination focal length 1/10 plus 1/10 minus 15/100 20 centimeter. In question 73, a ball is kept at height h. Find the speed of image formed by the function of time. Solution 73. So now AB is half GT square, BC is h minus half GT square. Putting all the values from here, T will come out to be mu r. Let's first write V will come out to be mu r h minus half GT square over mu minus 1. So velocity will be d distance over time, dv by dt. Remember, this is distance, do not get confused. Let me write it velocity. So it will come out to be mu r square gt, mu minus 1 h minus half gt square minus r. In 74, a particle is moving with some speed. Find the speed of image. Solution 74. So here let the object be x distance away, minus x. So from here V will come out to be Rx over R minus 2x. Velocity will be dv by dx, which will come out to be Vr minus 2xv plus 2xv over r minus 2x whole square. So all in all, what you will get is Vr square 2x minus r whole square. In question 75, a small block is there. Find the velocity of image. Solution 75. A part. So velocity of image will v, distance of image will velocity of object to r square. So this is the, let me write velocity of image over 2 into distance between them minus r square. So it will come out to be Vr square by 2d minus Vt by r whole square. This was whole square. B part. So in this situation x will be v t minus d by v vt minus d. So v will come out to be minus r d minus vt over r minus 2d minus vt. So velocity of image will be d by dt of rd minus vt over r plus 2d minus vt, changing the sign. So what we will get is dy equal to d minus vt, dy by dt equal to minus v. So d by dt ry r plus 2y. After simplification it will be vr square over r plus 2y whole square. So if you put everything, 1 minus r square over 2 vt minus d minus r square. In question 76, a gun is given to us. Find the speed of separation of bullet and the image just after the gun was fired. Solution 76. So recoil of the recoil velocity of the gun can be given like this, okay, by the conservation of linear momentum. So at any time t, position of a bullet with respect to mirror can be written like vt plus mv over m into t, 1 plus m into vt, u equal to minus 1 plus m vt kvt. Position of image. From Lenz's formula we will have v equal to kv tf f minus kvt. So v1 will be dv over dt. This is the distance, this is the velocity, remember. So d by dt of this, after differentiation you will get kvt square over f minus kvt whole square. Vs will be v plus mv by m plus kvf square kvt square f minus kvt whole square. T equal to 0, Vs will be v plus mv by m plus kv. After simplification, 1 plus m over m into v, because k is 1 plus m over m. In question 77, this figure is given. We need to find the length in which the image of the mass oscillates. Solution 77. So in that in this particular scenario we will use energy rules. So kinetic energy is 0, work done or potential energies are this. So initial energy final energy. So after this, let's call this delta. So mg h plus delta half k delta square. So delta will come out to be 0.015 meters. And by this the values that we will have is that u will be 30 plus 1.5, that is 31.5. F will be 12. So ultimately 1 by v equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u minus 1 by 12 plus 1 over 31.5. V will be, let this be VA, will be minus 19.38 centimeter. And for VB we will have minus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 28.7. So VB will be minus 20.62 centimeter. So image vibrates in length 20.62 minus 19.38, 1.24 centimeter. In 78 we have two concave mirrors, and this figure is given. We need to find the position of the images of A and B at t equal to different times. Solution 78, A part. In this part u equal to minus r, f equal to minus r by 2. This is for block B. So 1 by v minus by 2 plus 2 by r plus 1 by r minus 1 by r, v will be equal to minus r. And for block A, u will be minus 2r, f will be minus r by 2 for A. So it will give us v to be equal to minus 2r by 3. Position of A and B are minus 2r by 3 and r. B part. So in this scenario for block B, the image is at the same as at R. So position of the image will be O or 0 from the origin, it will be at the origin. And for A, U will be minus R, F minus R by 2, V will come minus R. So position will be minus 2R from origin. C case, in this scenario the positions will be minus 3R and minus 4R by 3. In question 79 we need to consider this following situation. Find the distance between image of the block and take g equal to 10. Solution 79. Free body diagram. MA, T, MG, M2. the free body diagram. Using this we will write the equations. Nt minus m equal to 0. So from this a will come out to be 12 by 2, that is 6 meters per second square. Distance will be half at square, which will come out to be 0.12 meters, 12 centimeters. Distance from mirror will be u equal to minus 42 minus 12 minus 30 centimeter. F will be 12 centimeter. Then when we put v will be 8.57 centimeter after simplifying this.